What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to link your AutoDS account to your Shopify store in order to be able to import products from AutoDS to your Shopify store for dropshipping. Now it's pretty easy. All you need to do is go to here to apps from your Shopify store. As you can see, I'm signed into my Shopify store. This is like a test account that I created just to show you. You want to click on add apps right here, and you need to click on the Shopify app store. And in the search here, just type in AutoDS, hit enter. And here it is, the AutoDS AI Dropshipping and POD or Print on Demand. You want to click on this app here, and you can read the benefits and view here the plans right here. As you can see, this is a paid plugin or a paid service, the AutoDS. The least expensive plan is for $26.90 a month, and you can go all up to $66.9 a month, and you can have free trial for all three plans. Now all you want to do is click on install and it'll open up the AutoDS page right here where you'll be allowed to install the app. Then click on install once again, and now you'll be redirected to AutoDS in order to choose a plan. So let's choose the first plan, which allows you to import up to 200 products. Start for free. And now you are able to continue. And now you've linked AutoDS to your Shopify store. Of course, you need to add a payment method in order to approve the transaction or approve the plan subscription here. And once you've done, of course, you have a 14 days free trial, but the payment method is needed in order to pay for the plan after the trial is ended. And that way you've linked AutoDS to your Shopify store, and you'll be able to import products from AutoDS to sell on your Shopify store.